Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can uninstall an app from your Mac. So in order to do this, all you need to do is go here, of course, into your Finder. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the top left of our screen and we're going to click on Go right here. Then we're going to find Applications, and now this is the menu where you have all your applications that are installed. For example, if I want to delete one, I simply click on it once, then I'm going to click on Control right mouse click and I'm going to click on Move to Bin. Now you need to give your password because you're deleting the entire app, so simply type in the password you use to unlock your Mac. Click on OK, and now we can see that if I go to my bin, that this is the CapCut app and it's now gone. If I now click on empty bin, and if I now go back into the App Store, I can see that the app is actually removed. So, if I type in the app I just deleted, called CapCut, we can also see that it's actually removed from my Mac. So that's how you can uninstall an app from your Mac. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.